Rising above Victoria Harbour, the International Commerce Centre represents the pinnacle of engineering excellence, and Inspectica is redefining how such landmarks are inspected and maintained. Powered by advanced AI and drone technology, Inspectica captures facade data 50% faster than traditional methods, identifying cracks, corrosion, and surface anomalies with pinpoint accuracy. Our cloud-based platform automatically syncs and analyzes data, compressing reporting time from weeks to days. The result? A complete, high-fidelity digital twin that turns inspection results into actionable insight. With up to 95% of procedures automated through drones and AI, Inspectica reduces facade inspection costs by at least 50% and cuts inspector exposure to hazardous conditions by up to 80%. Smarter, faster, safer. Inspectica transforms building inspection into a data-driven process that unlocks transparency and efficiency for the future of asset management.